In this video, I'm going to show you how to use a cold pack like this to recover from your injury or to relieve inflammation without getting burned. So make sure you watch till the end and follow all my instructions, because I don't want to see you getting burned, just like I see in some people who did not use a cold pack properly. There are two main things that you have to consider when using a cold pack. Number one is the contact of the cold pack on your skin. You don't want to have a cold pack like this to be directly in contact with your skin, because if it's in contact with your skin for too long, it can cause frostbite and damage your skin. What you have to do is get a thin towel and put it around the cold pack. Having a thin towel like this around the cold pack can help decrease some of that cold temperature so that your skin doesn't get burned. Now with the thin towel around the cold pack, then you put the cold pack on the target area. With time, the cold will still penetrate through the towel and your body will still benefit from the physiologic effect of the cold, but it's not going to be too cold to cause frostbite. On the other hand there, you don't want to use a towel that's too thick. If the towel is too thick, the cold will not be able to penetrate through and you won't benefit from the physiologic effect of the cold. You'll be just wasting your time. If this is helpful so far, subscribe to our channel. The second factor that you have to consider is the length of time. Usually 15 to 20 minutes is enough for your body to benefit from the physiologic effect of the cold and at the same time not burn your skin. If you want to use it longer, you can go up to 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, I highly recommend taking off the cold pack to allow your skin to breathe and to restore the normal circulation. This will decrease the chance of you having a frostbite. Combining these two together will help you get the benefit of using a cold pack and avoid the risks involved. Bonus tip for you when using a cold pack is do not use any liniment or menthol cream. Menthol increases your skin sensitivity to cold, thereby increasing the chance of burning your skin. And if you are using a heating pad, watch the next video so you can avoid getting burned.